Shalom and welcome to Tel Aviv, guys. Look, this is amazing. This is the light railway station here. Amazing, guys. Beautiful light railway station here in the beautiful city. In this amazing city of Tel Aviv.